You guys, I'm leaving my house right now. I'm actually going to be heading to the post office first. Then I have to head to Knutsford Express and no Rotty, the post office, Portmore Deliveries, then Knutsford Express, Kingston Deliveries. So go ahead and DM me right now if you want to collect your pony. It's an additional $1,000 for the belts, therefore $7,000, so it brings the total to $8,000. For the lashes, therefore $800, an additional $500 for delivery. But if you're buying the lashes and the belts, you just pay the $1,000 for delivery, not the $500 for the lash. So you will only pay delivery for the belt and not for the lash. Lashes are $800. The belts are $7,000. On the website, they're for $6 and $45. They're going to go back up. The price will go up come the 1st of March. Sale done. So make sure you get it. And I'm filming a day in the life of today. So you're welcome. Oh, and thank you. Thank you. Look at my